Okay guys, I want to show you the vacuum leak I'm dealing with. You hear that? It's still here. Do you hear it? When I move that injector, it's flying down. Look how it's running a little bit more steadier. Still hear the hum. You hear that? That's what I'm dealing with. After I fix that, I think the motor's going to be really, really good. You can even hear it from over here, it's so loud. Now, it's not leaking any fuel or anything. The ABS light is because I need a field speed sensor with the ABS monitor on the driver's side and front of the road. And the two wires are pushed together. We check engine lights, I think once it's vacuum leaks, it will be gone. The car comes out and it kind of shakes everything you're sitting in there. You hear that? And I'm going to hold you out here and I'm going to turn it off. Now, did you hear that leaking down afterwards? So that is what is called not a bad O-ring. It's taking unmetered air past the injector on cylinder 7. I checked this out. We did a snap-on smoke test with a smoke machine, and it was coming out on the inside of the bottom of the injector closest to intake. This is not something you can see. The upper intake I've tried to remove, it's not coming off. I use a cherry picker, it's just not coming off. I don't know why. So I'm now having to get, I bought new bushings, that didn't work. Now I'm having to get some kind of different service bushing, a bigger, wider, or thicker bushing that will seat up that seat and push that injector in. I don't know what else to do. I'm at wit's end. This is the last thing. This TPS sensor, I'm not really sure about. It works sometimes, it doesn't work. It's hot, the car runs, and then I run around the corner, I get to a gas station, turn it off, come back out 10 minutes, go to start it again. It don't want to start. I got to put my foot in the gas a little bit. So that's something. I got a brand new one, but I just put that one on. That's what came with the car. So as always, guys, like, subscribe, and share. I just wanted to show you a leaking injector O-ring on cylinder 7. All right, keep on dreaming.